this video, I will explain for loops in 60 seconds or less. To make a for loop, you need a collection of items to loop over, for example, a list or an array. In this first example, we have a list of ice cream flavors. The loop has four parts. First, the word for. Second, a loop variable which can be named whatever makes sense to you, flavor in this case. Third, you need a collection of things to loop over, ice cream flavors. Fourth, you need a colon that marks the start of the body of the loop. All the indented statements after the colon comprise the body. Flavor will be set to each item in the list ice cream flavors until the loop stops when there are no items left. To loop over an array of numbers, we create the array and then we say for x, that's our loop variable, in countdown, our collection, we're going to print x. Notice that the final print statement is not inside the loop body, it's not indented, and is printed after the loop is finished. And there you have for loops in 60 seconds or less.